Today I'm going to be showing you how to use chopsticks. For those of you who don't know how, don't worry, I got you. Okay? These are the ones that I bought. I thought they were really cute, so I figured I'd grab them. They're little cute pink bunnies. The first step is to hold the first chopstick between your ring finger and your middle finger. And it should rest between your thumb and index finger, like so. See? It shouldn't be moving. And then with the second chopstick, you're going to hold it like this, as if you're holding a pen. And then, just move it like that. I'm going to start with this lighter. Let's see if I can grab it. Okay, that's challenging. It's so hard, it's so slippery. But should be able to grab in general. So I'm going to try grabbing the Armored Titan. Yay! Got him! And back down. Hopefully that helps. I want you to try it out and see if you got it. Let me know down in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.